Hi, I'm Uyên. I grew up in Da Nang, Vietnam, where leather textile predominantly manufactured. Leather is widely used in many applications across the industries, but not only my country. Around the world, people are suffering from leather manufacturers' pollution. Leather tannins use toxic chemical agents. Some can be harmful for the human health and the environment. Moreover, forged leather is often made from toxic polyurethane. It is plastic and at the end of the day will not biodegrade or break down. After working in the fashion industry here in New York for a few years, looking at the volumes of the textile materials never seen before, and the thread of microfiber, which is made from polyester, is entered into the rivers, lakes, and the ocean, and then appears to be consumed in food and drink. This triggered a deeper question for me, taking me back to the same one I have been dealing with in Vietnam. What if you can use waste to create a new generation of biomaterial that can solve the pollution problem? As I research, the food industry generates 6 million to 8 million metric tons of seafood cell waste every year. The seafood cell waste often contains a huge amount of chitin, a polysaccharide that can be biocompatibility, biodegradability, antimicrobial and antioxidant activities. Chitin and chitosan can be extracted by bacterial fermentation process. We produce almost 9.5 million tons of waste coffee ground every year, and most of it ends up in landfills, where every ton generated 14 tons of CO2. By combining this waste component, I created TOMTEX leather-like biomaterial, which is dyed with eco-friendly natural ingredients like orchard, coffee, and charcoal. TOMTEX would not only solve the textile leather pollution, but it would also move the seafood and coffee production into a better ecosystem platform. To me, TOMTEX is not just a textile but actually a process. How can we start to look at the longer life cycle of the material, and how can we bring the environmental impact from where this industry stands currently? TOMTEX production carbon footprint require only 1.64 kilogram carbon dioxide equivalent per square meter. This is 100 times less than real leather and 15 times less than forged leather cost. Real leather, in contrast, uses 17,000 liters of water to produce 1 kilogram of leather. It's 69 times more than TOMTEX biomaterial. One pair of real leather shoes can take up to 9,000 liters of water, Folks leather is 1800 liter. However, with the current process, TOMTEX would only take 31 liter of water, with the added benefit of being able to recycle. When TOMTEX biomaterial is no longer fits its purpose, it can be easily recycled into new product. You can put TOMTEX into water, let it stay for 2 weeks until it dissolves, and then it can be casted again into the mold. TOMTEX is 100% biodegradable. It is also a natural fertilizer for plants. Today's system is big, and people don't really know what happens to the waste. If people could take a part of more local system and a smaller loop, I believe they will begin to be waste at our raw material. A local and closed loop system will provide a sense of honesty and transparency in the area that is normally hidden. As a textile biodesigner, my vision is seeks to reduce negative impact on the environment and improve the health and well-being of the people now and in the future. With TOMTEX, I can see that alternative systems of production and consumption are possible, and I recognize that material innovation will be crucial to achieve this. I believe that TOMTEX can be a small movement to generate momentum and inspiration for wider actions. Thank you.